Hello. Today I'm going to show you these V-TAC 20351 linear surface lights. I'm going to unbox them, solder longer wires and do a quick test. I'm planning to use them as video shooting lights, as they provide 4800 lumens of light, 40 watts power and color temperature as neutral white. These lights are an amazing price performance product. I got 2 of these for €23. Also very good spec for video recording. Samsung LED chip, Cree more than 80 and beam angle 120. The light is soft and pleasant. The drawback I noticed with these ceiling lights is that they are of very poor build quality. The plastic on both ends I glued over to stop them falling off. Otherwise excellent lights for money. But for now, let the music play and keep watching the video. If you have any questions about this product, feel free to post them below this video.